Hello everybody, just wanted to make a quick fan video. I don't think I've made this one yet, so I'm going to make it. It's my 12-inch 1970s Galaxy. Pretty good shape. Got it at the thrift store for $10. We all know what these look like. I'm also looking for the 9-inch version of this fan. And the reason I had to have this one is my grandma had the exact same one when I was growing up, and then it just disappeared. These fans are always so quiet and put out a good breeze. Mine does oscillate. Sorry, my little space heater's running down there, so it's a little loud. Medium. Mine is very quiet. Turn the space heater off. And high. It's got a good spin down time. If anyone has the 9-inch and would like to trade or something, I have this same fan, only it says Lasco and got the pointy blades.